Hey guys, welcome to Electrophone. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe because we are coming up with new videos every week. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can do mobile SSH from your Android phone. Now the condition over here is the Raspberry Pi and your mobile has to be connected to the same network. Then only you can do mobile SSH. If your Raspberry Pi is connected from other network and you want to do some SSH, then the case becomes different. You need to do remote SSH, which we'll cover in the next video. Now for this video, what I'll do is just go to Play Store and type mobile SSH. The first application of mobile SSH saying secure shell, download that. Then go to VNC viewer. You will see remote desktop, download this as well. Once you are done with that, I'll take you. Now you need to know the IP address, the current IP address on which your Raspberry Pi is connected. So in my case it is connected to 192.168.1.108. So just go on to mobile SSH, click over here, go to settings, just change the setting, just type the IP address at which your Raspberry Pi is connected and then save and connect. It will ask you the login details. In my case it is default, which is Pi and Raspberry. So as you can see, we have successfully done the SSH using a mobile into the Raspberry Pi. We'll just check. Okay, now we'll disconnect it. Now what if you need the complete GUI of Raspberry Pi? Now that can be done only when your Raspberry Pi is working on the complete version of Raspbian OS, not the light version. So you can do that as well. Go to the VNC viewer which you have downloaded. Just add new. You can type the address and give the name. In my case, I have already added. I'll just change the IP, which is over here, and give the name, and then click on connect. It will ask for password, so it is the default Raspberry, and I'll continue. So as you can see, we have successfully got the GUI of Raspberry Pi. Now we can just go and see over here. So these were all the files which we got when we did ls in our mobile SSH. So this is all about it. Now we have recently started with a website called www.electrofun.co.in. You can just go and visit that. It contains a lot of information for you. You may like it. So I hope you have understood this video. Wait for the next videos where we cover some more amazing topics on Raspberry Pi. Till then, like our video, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.